how to get a copyright free images for your video, copyright free background songs for your video. So for those of you that are creating a YouTube video or Facebook as a content creator, and you're a beginner, maybe you need a copyright free images to use for your video or for your background, or even if you need a copyright free song, like let's say when you get other popular artist songs and you use it inside your video, it's going to be a copyright, and end of the day YouTube will flag your video saying, yeah, it's a copyright on the copyright on a claim ID or whatever. And when you start making revenue, the owner of the image or the video will start receiving benefit from your video. Or they can say copyright strike and they bring your video down. And if you're a Facebook, if you're on Facebook, Facebook may make your video not going further, and if you're already monetized, because of that case they will demonetize you. So in this video guys, today my purpose here is to show you how to get a copyright free song and copyright free images. So guys, let's dive in. But if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please just do me one single favor by smashing the like button. Also go to the subscribe, then smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification. The reason why is that when you turn on the notification, you receive an update whenever I drop in a new video, and subscribe is what? Free. So guys, let's dive in. The platform we're going to use today is going to call Pixel. Yeah, pixel.com is the platform we're going to use. So as we're using pixel.com, so when you go to pixel.com, there will be a link in the video description guys to just go. Let's now look at this beautiful image with a single candle, with like lighting candle. Just look at it. It's a free image for you to download. So for you to download this image, you just need to click this download free, and if you want any size, you just go here. You can see this is the original size, and if you want any other size, you can go and select the size and click the download button. So let's look at another image, or let me just type in something like video. Let's say it needs a motion graphics, so you just need a video to use. So you just go and then come to this filter here, to the search bar here, just select video and then type in the type of video you want. So just type in the video you want, but if you don't want to type anything, just click video and then hit the search. So when you hit the search here, it's going to load. Okay, so when it loads, it's going to load that some videos out. Or you come to the filter here, you just come down here, free. You just come down here and click video. Here you are going to see 33,000 videos are available with black background. Okay, let's say this black background, snow, and different black and white. So here, this cats. I see this lady. Let me play here. Let me look. Let's see. So you can see this video here. This video here is copyright free. So when you use this video inside your video, you are not going to have issue because it's copyright free. So you are allowed to use it inside your video, guys. You are allowed to use it. So if I now go to now, we're going to type Pixel Bay. So for you to know more about these people, this Pixel, you just come to license here, and then you can read the license agreement here. Okay, so just come and then read the license agreement and know what you are allowed to do with whatever you get for this platform and what you are not allowed to do with it, so you will not violate their policy. So now so if you now come to Pixel Bay, I'll drop the link at the video description. I'll drop the link at the video description. So this is Pixel Bay. They have over 4.3 million. Wow, like a lot of content is on this platform. So when you come to Pixel Bay here, you can also get a lot of images, videos from this platform for free. So now let's go to the music section where you can get a free songs to use in your video, 100% free. Come to this music here. You're going to see music, and you're going to see there's a lot of songs here. So let me play one. So this one here is free. So you can download from any of the song here, and you're not going to have issue with any of them inside your video. These absolutely free songs. So if you come to video, you're going to see videos here. Here are videos. So if you look at, you can go ahead and use any of the videos here inside. Okay, so now let me show you guys one particular thing again. Let me say green screen. Let me go to green screen now. So if you want to search for anything, you just come here and search for it. Type the name at the search bar. So let's say if you want to use sound effects, you come to the sound effect here, and then you see different sound effects here. So you see image and a lot. So intro, you can get an intro and outro from this particular platform, guys. So this is what I have for you guys today. If this is your first time, don't forget to smash the subscribe button so you get an update whenever I drop a new video. And next time I'll show you guys how you can also upload your content for here to go more viral for free. So that's what I'm going to show you guys next time. And those of you that are ready to learn that, then drop your comment at the comment section, and also I will try to respond and reply every one of you. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Peace out.